Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I got a little bit of unboxing. It's been a long time, and this one is from Miss A. So this is I ordered some things from Miss A, and this website has been like my go-to to order like beauty products half the price, like $1, $2, and since it's a USD site, so it gets translated to like Canadian website. But yes, I love ordering for this, especially when I restock on like eyeliner, mascara, you know, little thing like that, like lash glue. And I like to use this website. I like to order it off of this website because it's cheaper, and I can get a lot of makeup for my bucks, like for the money that I paid basically. So I buy like 3 to 4. If it's like eyeliner, I just buy like 3 to 4, and then I just stock them up. So let's open it right now. See, the package is so good looking. Oh, it's pink. I love it so much. I don't even want to open it. So yeah, the package is pink, and let's see the goodies that I bought. So it's going to be a short video, I think so. There's the sign next, Miss A, and then you cannot see here, but it says good life, feels good, ingredient, makeup, $1 makeup and accessory, cruelty free makeup, supporting charities. So this has been my go-to website for years now, especially for eyeliner. I'm not spending $12 on one eyeliner when I can get 4 for the same price, for like $1 each. And you know, it's the same thing. It works the same. Like you see, I have the eyeliner, but I still have the $12 eyeliner, but I like to have like multiple ones that I can choose from. I like to have like backup liner in case I lost it. You know, you understand. The packaging is quite interesting. You know, there's a bubble wrap and it says Miss A on it. So I'm going to pop it open. I don't even know how to open this, but yeah, all my goodies are inside. Bit of everything. So like I said, I bought like the same thing like twice, one time, 2 times. So I'm going to do by category. So I bought multiple items in the same category, like eyeliner I bought like 2, 3. So just I'm going to show. So we'll start with liquid eyeliner or eyeliner. This is the first category, eyeliner. I love eyeliner. I cannot do my makeup without eyeliner. Even my basic makeup, I cannot do it without eyeliner. So definitely this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first category will be my eyeliner one. So So I'm going to put all the details on the screen, and as well as the description box, like everything that I bought, I'm going to put it in the description box as well. So this is liquid eyeliner from LA Colors and precision lining. So it looks like this. Okay, need to see what it looks like, because you know I'm going to use it ASAP. So yeah, and when I go like this, oh, it's so thin. Oh my god, didn't expect that. So it's black. Just want to make sure that I'm going to try it on. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Actually, it's so thin. So yeah, this is the first one. Second category will be, so the second category will be mascara. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the pink mascara here. And usually I like to get my mascara from the beauty supply store, but I like to get it from the beauty supply store or at Winners. But once, like, you know, I was already on the website and I ordered my lip liner, like eyeliner and all, so I decided to take also a backup, I decided to buy some backup mascara, and I've been trying a lot. The other one that I bought wasn't good, so I hope this one is good. So it's like kind of a blind buy. We don't know it until we try it. So but I bought it for, it was like $2 I think. So this one, okay, so this is how it looks like. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you it's pink, and I'm going to show you here. So it says flexible volume, black, and it's cute. It's AOA Studio, gives volume and length. So this is how it looks like. So as well, this like a blind blind buy. Since I already have my lashes on, so I'm going to test it on my bottom lashes. Alright, anyways, I got plenty of time to test it out, so we know that there's something in that tube, so everything's good. So let me finish. I'm almost done. The category is the, you guessed it right. So the third category is the lash glue. As you can see, I have my lash glue with me. So this is from the brand AOA Studio. So I bought 4 of these. So hopefully I don't run out anytime soon, because as you can see, when I'm doing like easy makeup, I don't really wear lashes, but when I'm going out, I like to wear lashes. So I like to have glues everywhere, and I've been running out of glues lately, I think. Yeah, because I have so many other glues, but the other glues I've been allergic to it. So I need to figure that out. Yeah, so I need to figure out how. So I've been using like those tube glue. So far so good, so I don't know, maybe I will keep using this. So this is the third category. super strip lash glue, and I'm going to show you like this. So like this, and yeah, there is glue in it. So usually I really do like those kind of glue, like the tube one, because I feel like it's better when to use, like it's better to use when this is tube form, because I can just put it like this and just put it on my lashes, and then my false lashes, and then just pop it on my eye, instead of when you see like not the tube version, but you know, the one that you have to squeeze and then you have to apply, you have to make sure. So I think I like this. It's like faster method of applying lashes. And if you haven't seen my video on how to apply false lashes, girl, what you doing? So I will lead you to go ahead, go after this video of course, and see that video that I uploaded. This is my updated, like how to apply false lashes for beginners, and I already did that years ago, so it's like an updated version. I do like everything updated, especially for my makeup, so make sure to check that out. So I'm going to continue the video. So for this one I got 4 of these, and then last but not least, 1, 2, 3. So the 4th on the list that I got, it wasn't repeated. Well, the last one on my list wasn't like a duplicate item. I just bought one. Yeah, you can call it that. So it's not the 4th one, so it's the same category. So it's the 3rd one, part 2. So the same one, part 2. Basically, this one is like a for the lash glue that I got. This is a black version. Let me see. So it's $1.88 USD. So this is like the black version, and this is like the transparent version here. So this is the transparent version over there. So actually on the website they have like a bottle one. So the bottle one 3 for 1, this is the category like for the transparent one, so I was able to get one. But the one with like in the box like this, that save you a little bit of money, was sold out in the black form. So I got one like this, one box like this, and then I got the black one separately. So this one is like the same as the super glue. So let me open it. So you get 4 for like the price of yeah, you get a set of 4 for this one. I forgot the price, but it was maybe $4 or something like that. So this one, those one are all transparent. So those one are all transparent, and it came in a bottle of 4, and you save a little bit of money when you buy it like this. Unfortunately, they didn't have it like in the black form, the value set of 4, so I bought it separately because I wanted also the black lash glue. Unfortunately, like it's too white, so I tried to like put it closer as well. You can see it on the screen, on down below. So those are like the transparent lash glue, and basically it's the same, black, white, and it's transparent, so you're not supposed to see it basically. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got 7 lash glue. You know, I'll be preparing, like I don't want to run out anytime soon, so you know me. Anyway, so this is the last one. So I got 3rd category, lashes, lash glue, mascara, and eyeliner, of course, my favorite. And it's like I've been stocking up on these, so in case I run up of this, I have the backup. And if I run up of this backup, I will order it more. and you know it's cheaper. It's cheap on that website. So yeah, like extra tips. I wouldn't recommend like buying like foundation and like I would say concealer, foundation, but mostly foundation. If you want like a good makeup base, like a good makeup look that lasts a long time, I would suggest that the powder you can buy it off this website. It's like $1. But like the foundation, just get it high hands because it will last longer on your skin. So the foundation for me, I use I forgot. Yeah, I use the one like at Sephora, if I even remember, but I have so many one. Or you can get one at the drugstore, so I don't buy it like super cheap, like $2 foundation. Firstly, they don't have my shade ever, and lastly, just because my skin deserves better. It's like, you know, eyeliner, mascara, everything like that is okay. Even, you know, when you do your brows, brow pomade, it's okay too. So yeah, that's it guys. And also I think I will do a video on how to you know, be a baddie on a budget, like everything that I have, like what I save money, what to save money on, and what to splurge. It will maybe help some of you out, so maybe stay tuned for that video. I think I just already wrote that down somewhere. So what I save on, especially for my face, my skincare and all that. So stay tuned guys, and thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.